Did you join Toastmasters to become a better speaker? Okay. This is pretty common. In fact, when it comes to my club, Extreme Toastmasters, I ask people, say, well, why are you here? As a guest, why are you here in Toastmasters? And they say, Tim, I'm here because I want to become a better speaker. Which makes sense. Same reason I joined. Many, many years ago, over 10 years ago now, 15. After a while, you get older and the time starts to kind of vanish on you. It's over 10, 15 years or so. You know what I'm talking about. And I wanted to become a better speaker. And the nice thing with Toastmasters does supply you with some tools. Now, in this club, I don't use them as much, but I do have a book. They do these techniques they talk about, like things like vocal variety and getting to the point and stage movement and organization. And all of these things are really great for becoming a better speaker. I thought, great, okay, I'm going to use these tools, I'm going to become a better speaker, and that's going to be really helpful. It's going to help me develop and grow. And I saw that, yes, I would use these tools and I'd become a better speaker each time. So that was fantastic. But after I went through the basics, the competent communication manual, they call it Toastmasters, and started going to other things, I said, I'm a better speaker, but am I actually a good speaker? You know that moment when you just kind of start to doubt whether you're actually moving forward at all? You know what I'm talking about? Shelley, been there too. Yeah, how do you really benchmark to tell whether you're becoming good? I mean, better is great, but if you're just awful and you become a little better, then you're a little better than awful, right? I could be really horrible and just being a little better than horrible each time, but still be an awful speaker. I don't know. I have no clue. So I thought, well, how am I going to figure this out? What am I supposed to be able to do to figure out how to become better? So, okay, well, what do you do if you want to figure out if you're a good speaker? I asked other people. I said different things. Okay. And pretty much the consensus was, Tim, you idiot, talk to good speakers. Find out who the good speakers are, and those that are the people that you're going to actually do something with. Does that make sense? So if you want to become a better speaker, find out people who are good speakers, and if you want to be a good speaker, talk to them. Well, the challenge was that some of the best speakers in Toastmasters weren't people I could personally talk to. The best speakers in Toastmasters, a lot of them are world champions of public speaking. Are you familiar with that? Michelle, I know you're familiar with that. Mark, familiar with that. If you aren't familiar with the world champions of public speaking, what happens is Toastmasters has a series of contests. It starts at the very basic level, the club level, and it keeps going on up and up and up till you get to the world champion of public speaking. So I thought, okay, I can get to the world champion of public speaking and I'll figure it all out. I discovered the world champions were doing something different. They were doing something different. They looked at things differently. That's what I learned, and that's what you're going to find out about today, about how, well, most times in speaking, you focus on yourself. Actually, you need to be focusing on your audience. When you focus on your audience, there are certain questions in your audience, the audience has, and you've got to answer those questions if you want to be a good speaker.
So you'll be doing that.